Salam beauties, do you have beef? Let's make this dinner together. Into my pan I added some beef, onions, chicken seasoning, Italian seasoning, thyme, ginger and garlic paste. So I'm just going to fry it a little bit and then I'm going to take it out. After that I'm going to throw in my pepper mix, allow to simmer, and then I'm going in there with my vegetable oil, curry and thyme, and then I'm going to throw in my beef in there. So now I am to season our tomato paste, and then I am going to add my pasta water and my parboiled pasta. I'll mix all together. You know this is going to be delicious. It is very easy to make and very affordable. Some spring onions for color and flavor. And just like that, dinner is ready. Thank you for stopping by. Dairy of the Northern Cook at your service. Salam. Jama'a mutanen kirki, mutanen arziki. Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's me, Safmar. Bye.